How is it going, guys? It is Cyber Monday, the last day to take advantage of some of these sales and deals that are happening. So I wanted to hop back on here and give you a rundown on what you don't want to miss out on. First and foremost, our Doorbuster sales are being extended until 6 p.m. Central Time. So from now until then, you can get 20% off any FT Speed, OLM, GCS, Carbon Reproductions, and RSP products, as well as 25% off Faction Fab products with no code necessary. We're also running our Cyber Monday site-wide sale, 10% off using the code CYBERSALE10. Some exclusions do apply, and that code does not stack on top of other discounts. We're also running our site-wide Cyber Monday sale. You can get 10% off using the code CYBERSALE10. Some exclusions do apply, and that code does not stack on top of other discounts. Now, like I said, this is the last day to save on some of the sales and deals, so I'm gonna run through that list here. Cobb Tuning is 10% off, as well as Airlift Suspension. AWE exhausts are currently 15% off, and Apex Race Parts wheels and BC Racing coilovers are currently on sale. Now, all those are ending today. Grim Speeds 10% off is running until Wednesday, and Dial Dynamics 15% off is running until tomorrow. We're also offering free shipping on all orders over $100. You don't need to enter any codes. Once you get over that limit, it's automatically free shipping. Now, that being said, please keep in mind that since this is the holiday season, our shipping and handling and customer service team may be a little bit behind due to the large volume of orders that are coming in. So we really appreciate your patience with that. Our warehouse team is working around the clock to get orders out as fast as possible, all while staying within the safety precautions to keep everyone safe from COVID. So again, appreciate your patience with that. If you happen to have something that you need delivered urgently, please make sure you select that express shipping method to make sure it gets delivered on time. Otherwise, we're gonna try to keep to that 3 to 5 business day period, but just know that it may take a little bit longer. I know this year has been hard on a lot of us, so we really appreciate your guys' support, especially during this season. We really still wouldn't be here if it weren't for you guys. So thank you to all of our customers. Thank you to everybody who watches the videos that I make. I can't express how much that stuff means to me, because I really do put a lot of work into the videos to help you guys out as much as possible. So I want to wish you guys happy holidays. Hopefully everyone is staying safe out there and you were able to spend some quality time with your friends and family. I will leave everything I went through down in the description. I'll see you guys next time.